Oh my gosh. Why is it already recording? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little, girl, I've been going through it. Some positive things, some not so positive things, but there's been a lot going on. But I'm back, feeling a lot better. There's been a lot. But if you guys read the title of this video, you will know that we are going to New York. I'm just packing right now. I never realized how much I didn't like packing until I'm packing right now. Like, I do not like packing. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I remember I used to love packing for trips. Like, it was my favorite part because I'm like, okay, yeah, cute luggage, like everything, but we're leaving today, tonight, and I haven't like packed anything at all. Like not anything. I bought this luggage, which I'm obsessed with. So I actually found it. I found this one at Burlington, and it's by this brand Delcy Paris. I'm not sure. But it was $89, which I thought was a good deal because I know luggages could get really expensive, especially for something this cute. Like, it's like a tan color, and I literally, like, I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna start putting my stuff in. I'll show you guys what I have going on right now. So I'm kind of just like piling everything here that I'm gonna take with me. And I have gloves, I have scarves, I have like a little like neck thing to keep my neck warm in case it's like super cold. I have beanies. I have more beanies, but this is one of them. I bought socks, an extra power bank because I know me, like I'm always on my phone and I'm gonna be recording and like doing all that. So I also got this, had it like overnighted because I needed new makeup bags. So I think this has two. I also bought these because they're just little like mesh cases. I got them from like Daiso, but I'm gonna use them because I feel like they can compress like my socks and stuff down, just in case I need extra room and stuff. So I'm gonna put all like my socks, underwear, and everything in here. What else? I have some stuff in here that I need to also put in there. So I have my other beanies down there. Another scarf, which is so cute. It's like a green color. I'm obsessed. And then another jacket, which is so bulky. And then this one I'm concerned about because it's so big. This is probably gonna take up like the most room. So this is actually the first time I'm opening this. I don't know why, but it just seems so small. Like, if I could have, like, should have or could have gotten maybe a slightly bigger one, but you know, we're gonna have to make this work. I also have this bag that I bought. It's honestly not the cutest, but I got it from Target. I just liked it because it was like the perfect size. It has like side pockets too. So like if I have a water or something like that, this is just like gonna be my carry-on. And then I'll have like my personal bag. Okay, so I know everyone says put your outfits together before you go and it makes it so much easier. So I'm trying to do that, but obviously there's room for switching it up and stuff. So this is like one outfit that I threw together depending how cold it is. So that's one I just threw together. Okay, so here's another fit. So we have a long like furry like boucle style like coat, and then I have these socks. Obviously the socks can change, like I'm just kind of pairing them with it. And then I have these like leggings, I like a tan color. And then I'm gonna probably wear it with the white shirt, depending how it looks. Okay, so here is another fit. Okay, I already know this one's gonna be one of my favorites because I found this jacket at Forever 21 and I'm literally so obsessed with it. It's very like retro looking, and instantly when I tried it on, it was like, I have to have this. So I'm gonna pair it with my jeans and then probably like an oversized tee, and then I'm gonna pair it with this green big oversized scarf. I'm so excited about this outfit, like you don't even know. Here's another fit just thrown together. Basically I'm just gonna be wearing all black underneath, and then the star of the show, this pretty little thing, oversized boucle coat. It's super cute. It's like the best material. It's so warm and comfy. And I mean, it pretty much sells itself. So that's why I'm going really casual on the bottom, because the jacket's like the star of the show. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking like. It's a little wild in here. I'm so like intimidated to like, is intimidated the right word? I have no idea, but to like start actually putting the things inside, because it seems like a lot, but I like most of these jackets and stuff, like they go down pretty good, so hopefully that's not going to be too much of a problem. And then these, I didn't like shoot them, but they're just like gray joggers. I'm going to take these also, and then this as well. Maybe this will be my airport fit, because I don't know when else I'm going to wear that. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. It's a little packed, but everything I could kind of like push down. I'm going to start putting all like my makeup, and then the little like tech stuff I'm going to put in the smaller bag. Okay, so these are the two bags. So I'm going to put my makeup stuff obviously in the bigger one. I don't have that much makeup honestly, so this is like a perfect size. And then all like my little tech stuff I'm just going to put in here. Pack all my hot tools and then my shampoo and conditioner in this bag. So that's I think all that I'm going to keep in here. It's honestly has room for more in case I need to add more. I already put like my socks and underwear in this one, and honestly these worked out really good, so I definitely recommend those. This is Naomi's airport fit. Airport fit. Faux, of course. We don't discriminate over here against cows. Wait, is that where it comes from?
What?
Leather? Cows?
Leather just is a general term. Leather can come from cows, goats, small little animals, doesn't matter.
This is all of our stuff right here. She looks so comfy. She's just knocked out.
Perfect.
Perfect. Brother too? Yeah. Look at those little lips. Oh my goodness. It's cold? Are you excited?
Are we already in New York?
I know, I'm cold.
Suitcases. Look at my hands are free. Look at that.
He's the only smart one. Meanwhile, Naomi's over here scarfing down.
No, I'm just like, I don't waste food.
She does not waste food. Walking to get on the plane. Are you excited? Excited. Let me see it. Hi, Gucci Goo. What? Yeah, I'm walking here. Let me see you. Cheese. Cheese. Father, where are we?
We're here in Times Square, New York. Am I correct?
Yes.
Why are you laughing at me?
Because I was wondering if you were going
to Town Square.
Town Square, New York.
Trying to trick me.
Oh, I forgot it's Town Square, not Times Square.
Town Square, New York.
Town Square, New York. Can't believe you missed your moment, George.
I know. I'm sorry. Tap the foot. Tap the foot. Right now, what is it? I'm walking here.
Was that a mission or what? Sorry, camera. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you, thank you. I forgot that was like.
That was still a thing.
Yeah.
I don't even know what date this is. Your birthday today? Yeah.
Her birthday.
Oh my.
Look at it. Whoa!
Dang.
Whoa, dude.
Oh my my goodness.
No, this is Freddie and Dominic.
But you guys have the same view.
Oh, here's your.
That's where we were.
Sleep with the lights on.
You're like our view. So I'll be in here in the morning.
You see the 2024 ball?
Gucci good. Gucci good. Gucci good. Gucci good.
Tell you when open your eyes. Ready?
If I fall,
Ta-da!
Open.